Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about COUGAR Airface ECO RGB ATX mid-tower PC case. So friend, COUGAR has announced all new Airface ECO RGB mid-tower PC case with built-in eco-conscious cooling. The Airface ECO RGB is designed ethos ensuring cooling efficiency and reduced energy cost. At its heart, a forward-thinking venting system designed to maximize cooling while maintaining environmental impact. Its convents taper inward from a wide opening of funnel cooler airborne efficiency. In this innovative structure maintain lower internal temperature, reducing the workload of powered cooling and paired with dual 180 mm PWM fans. And this design deliver exceptional airflow while keeping energy consumption to a minimum. And robust dust filtration system round of the airface Eco's future set with filter of three ventilation side, front, top and bottom, preventing dust buildup and protecting internal components, and the quick slide front dust filter now enhanced with rubber tag for easier grip and allow for hassle-free maintenance, and while the removable top panel ensure effortless assembly access. And the Airface ECO RGB starting price at $109.99 from Amazon and Newegg. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.